Menteri Rangba ka jela ukonrat ki sangma ulapan bena bak Sorkar jela kala Pyllait pisa arpho klur tingka shaka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC kabalong nakabha jong kajana balalum naikimarpo khendo. Sangma ulayat hu yakani haka jingtreikam bat kilat thai khobor hadien ka jingalang bat ki MDC jong kalyang persha jong ka JHADC ha orchid in Thatlasken West Giant Hills District haka arphoi trik ubenai jemang. Menteri Rangba ulayat hu shu bahapwa ar nilai tayo ka Sorkar jela kan sa Pyllait sakat khandai klur tingka shaka JHADC. Ha kani ka jinga kendu na lor ukonrat ki sangma ladon lang ru sembut Menteri Rangba ka jela mas ngabhalang dhar Menteri Sorkar ma coming wan ambon MLA ka juwai ma wailat miki shila CEM JHADC ma thombor shiwan. Sangma ulayat hu bakamat ka bakongsan ha ka jinga keren bat ki MDC jo ka JHADC kalong shisha kamat jo ka tulap ka bedang sa teng bat ka jinglong jingman ha kalyang ka pisa tingka. Ulaong baka jing ha kalyang ka pisa tingka ha ka council kami nakadaw ka jingkhang ti doyong kabalakta kilat kamay bat kabala shimpor ban penben. Mentang lapoi ha ka benta bat ngila penbet renti Henry ka jingkta ha kalyang ka pisa tingka kadang don ha ka JHADC bat ha ki weipat ki district council jong ka jela ulaong. Naluar kata ha ka ni ka jinga kendu bat ki MDC ukonrat ki sangma ulay kerenru halur kilat ki lenti banya trilang ban kershan omtang ya ka JHADC Henry ki weipat ki district council kumju ban trei ban penkelat dori ki council la kalong ha kalyang ka sensyar khadar bat ka pisa tingka. Ulaong babaro kimat ki balaya keren an sabut din bat an don biang ka jingalang ha kini ki ar lai singi banwan ha ka ba usembut Menteri Rangba ka jela mas ngabhalang dhar unsaya kendu biang ikit khot ka council bot sa ka jinga mirjingmat bat ki he ka tanat platingka ban wat ikilat ki lenti ban penjam ki jinge ka council.
The major issue in the JHADC is of course the issue of pending salaries and the overall financial stability in the JHADC as a result of obviously different bans on coal mining earlier, which then has taken time to now streamline. But as I said, we have now reached to the point where we have streamlined it to a large extent. But the financial impact has still been there on the JHADC and on the other district councils of the state. So those were discussed in detail. I of course shared with the MDCs that we have just sanctioned another 20 crores out of the dues that are there for the council. Another 19 crores is due. Hopefully in a couple of weeks or maximum 3 weeks time, we should be able to release that also. So that should give some stability and some kind of release the pressure of the JHADC. And in the meantime, we are also discussing with them regarding future ways and means in which we could work together to find ways in to support the JHADC and the other district councils also, and also work towards reforming the councils, whether it's administratively, financially, and overall, to see the overall working of the councils. So all those matters were discussed, and we will be following up this meeting by having another meeting in the next 2-3 days. Deputy CM will be meeting them, and then post that we will be meeting other at finance level and other levels to then again further discuss the matter. I hope that as we move further, we are working on a long-term solution to this problem so that once and for all we can see some kind of financial stability in the council. But it's still in planning stage, so I'll refrain from giving details right now. It's not a simple issue, it's very complicated, it has got huge impacts. We will see how we can address the issue, but at the end of the day we have to look at how we can create stability there in terms of finance, and with that objective we will explore all possible options.